Come test drive the 2017 Niro. The Kia Niro provides functionality and fuel economy you would expect from a hybrid crossover. The roomy cabin and elevated seating let you know you're in a crossover vehicle. However, the fantastic miles per gallon rating reminds you that you're still in a hybrid. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, front-wheel drive, trip computer, electronic stability control, day-night rear-view mirror, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, tinted glass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.